Hi, my name's Ian and I am the author of Scheme for Macs, an open source package for scripting and live coding Macs MSP with S7 Scheme Lisp. And in this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of getting installed on Windows. Now I need to preface this by saying I don't actually run Windows, so we're using my virtual machine that I use for development testing, and it may be a little bit awkward and slow as I'm not very comfortable in the operating system. But we will get through it. Okay. Here we go. The first thing we need to do is go to the Scheme for Macs page on GitHub. And we'll go to the Releases tab, which is in the bottom left there. And download the latest release, Scheme for Macs 0.2 for OS X and Windows. It's the same tarball for both. It's only 6 megs, so it shouldn't take very long to download. Now, it is tarball, and on Windows, you need to install something to uncompress your tarballs. The best free and open source option, I think, is 7-zip. So that's at 7zip.org. You can just download it and install it, and that will take care of uncompressing files for you. So over in my downloads directory, I've got the beta tarball. And there we go, 7-zip. I'm going to say open. I'm going to say extract here. Okay, there's the folder we want. So that folder is just called Scheme for Macs, and we want to put that folder into our Macs 8 packages directory. So on my install, by default, the paths are documents, Macs 8, packages. If you don't have a packages directory, you can just make it. Uppercase P. We're going to take this folder and put it into the packages directory. Okay, once we've done that, that should be all it takes for Macs to find the package. So we're going to open Macs, and it takes a little while for this to start up because, like I said, this is a virtual machine, so it's a little bit starved for RAM. Macs is starting up slowly. There we go. Okay, if we go to the package manager, this should show us all the installed packages. And you need to switch from remote packages to installed packages. And we see Scheme for Macs, so the package was successfully installed. So let's make a new patcher, and I'm just on the trial mode because I normally use OS X. So we'll make a new S4M object, and if it didn't turn yellow and we didn't get any error messages in the console, then we are working and it's off to the races. So let's try putting in some output. We'll say out 0 hello world, and I'll make a print object here. And there we go. This tells us that the S4M object is working. So that's all we needed to do to get installed and running. You can also take a look at the help file for lots of examples of things to try out at the beginning. There we go. Here's the help file. It has tabs that cover all the basic functionality in Scheme for Macs. And I will also follow this video up soon with a getting started video that's not specific to Windows or Macintosh, with initial steps for loading and dealing with files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy Scheme for Macs.